10. Toyota GR Supra. 9. Nissan GT-R Nismo. 8. Chevrolet Corvette Z06. 7. Porsche 911 GT3 RS. 6. McLaren 720S. Cold Start. Titanium Trumpet. Instant Fury. 9. Twin barrels with a bass that shakes concrete. 8. Angular Menace in a flash of flame. 7. Turbine Swirl. Smooth and metallic. 3. Midnight.
In a garage built for dreams, 10 machines redefine speed and style. Number 1. The razor-edged Velocita X. Following its wake, the open-top Aurora GT, the opulent Stratus V12, and the winged Dragon RS. From pearl sheen to fire red, from solar...
Number 10. Lamborghini Aventador. 9. Ferrari SF90 Stradale. 8. Porsche 911 GT3. 7. McLaren 720S. 6. Aston Martin Vantage. 5. Chevrolet. Number 10. Veloci X7. Carbon weave, curved display, and a red-lit cockpit. 9. Atria GT. Honeycomb leather and a neon ring cluster. 8. Tempest R. Portrait screen and forged carbon shifter. 7. Dinara S. Cool blue glow and suede precision.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And at number 1, the blazing Inferno X9. 10 heroes of speed, gathered beneath the city lights.
10. Vortex S7. 9. Stratosphere X. 8. Nightblade GT. 7. Aurora V12. 6. Seraph LX. 5. Inferno R. 4. Super machines, 1 soaked circuit, and a sky ready to break. From the slippery launch of the Hyperbolt at number 10 to the razor-edged Vortex R slicing through spray at 9. Solaris GT lights up the puddles at 8. Aurora S, elegance at 10. Silverblade GTR. 9. Limeshock V8. 8. Midnight Storm. 7. Shadowhammer. 6. Tangerine Razor. 5. Arctic Phantom. 4. Turquoise Typhoon. 3. Vulcan Strike. 2. Crimson Howl. And the number 1... Ten icons. 1 sunset. The pinnacle of performance. 10 machines. 10 philosophies of speed. Sculpted power, born of carbon, alloy, and adrenaline. Meet the top 10 sports cars ruling the asphalt. From razor-sharp exotics to futuristic electric thunder, each one a statement of what happens when engineering meets obsession. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The pinnacle of engineering.
These are the top 10 best sport cars, each a masterpiece of speed, design, and pure driving passion. From 10 to 1, the competition tightens until we arrive here. The Aureus Legend, our number 1. Gold meets performance.
Number 10, Lamborghini Huracan Evo, razor-edged LED eyes and carbon-laced intakes. 9. Ferrari 296 GTB, slim L-shaped beams over a sculpted red flare. 8. Porsche 911 GT3, quad projectors in a classic oval. 7. McLaren 765 LT, paper-thin tailgate.
10. Photon CX Coupe,
9. Astra V8 Spider. 8. Paradox GT. 7. Falcon S-Track. 6. Obsidian R Coupe. 5. Vertex R GT. 4. Nova RS Hyper. 3. Striker X AW. 2026 showcase of the world's top 10 sports cars. Let's count them down. Number 10, the VX Aero, a crimson missile topping out at 340 kilometers per hour. 9. Aethon R with razor-sharp aerodynamics and a 2.6-second sprint. 8. Nebula V8, all muscle and menace. 7. Flow Speed Z.
Number 10, the Crimson Veloce. Here comes 9, Night Prowler. 8, Aurora GT. 7, Stratosphere. 6, Ignite R. 5, Salure. 4, Verdant Blade. Into the top 3, Phoenix X at number 3. Hyperion takes number 2. And the
2026 showcase of the world's top 10 sports cars. Let's count them down. Number 10, the VX Aero, a crimson missile topping out at 340 kilometers per hour. 9. Aethon R with razor-sharp aerodynamics and a 2.6-second sprint. 8. Nebula V8, all muscle and menace. 7. Flow Speed Z.
Crimson Viper. 9. Silver Phantom. 8. Ember Blaze. 7. Midnight Titan. 6. Lunar Spectre. 5. Venom Arc. 4. Obsidian Strike. 3. Solar Rush. 2. Auric Hawk. And at number 1, the Neon Seraph.